Searching for the best portable electric wheelchair? You're probably realizing there are a ton of options out there. Some chairs are ultralight and easy to fold. Others focus on long travel range or comfort. The truth is, the best wheelchair depends on your lifestyle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best portable electric wheelchair. Now, let's get started. Electric wheelchairs number 1. POWET electric wheelchair. The POWET electric wheelchair is built for strength, safety, and comfort. It uses dual 500W motors. That means you can tackle slopes up to 12 degrees without worrying. Ramps, hilly sidewalks, or uneven paths, this chair handles them with ease. On a full charge, you can travel up to 15 miles. That's plenty for shopping, medical visits, or a full day out with family. Even though it supports up to 350 pounds, it's surprisingly portable. The frame folds quickly, so you can fit it into most car trunks. That's important for travel or days when you're constantly on the move. The joystick is simple to use and can be placed on either side, making it convenient for left or right-handed users. Safety is one of this chair's biggest strengths. Electromagnetic brakes give you quick stopping power. Anti-tip wheels prevent falls. A seatbelt keeps you secure. Comfort is also well thought out. The honeycomb cushion is soft, breathable, and washable. That means you stay cool and supported even during long hours of use. Adjustable armrests make transfers in and out much easier. Picture this. You're heading to a family gathering, and you need a chair that feels safe but also comfortable. The POWET has your back. It's reliable indoors and outdoors, and it doesn't feel like it's holding you back. Verdict: the POWET wheelchair is best for adults who want a safe, comfortable, and versatile chair. It's a solid everyday option that balances performance with practicality. Electric wheelchairs number 2. Goldseason 33 pounds lightweight electric wheelchair. If portability is your top priority, the Goldseason 33 pounds wheelchair is hard to beat. At just 33 pounds, it's one of the lightest electric wheelchairs available. That makes it ideal for travel or anyone who wants something easy to lift and store. The frame is made from aerospace-grade aluminum, so it's light but still strong. You don't even have to remove the battery, just plug it in. That's a nice convenience for everyday use. The joystick is simple and senior-friendly, no confusing controls, just smooth 360-degree movement. Safety features include electromagnetic brakes and tilt prevention. That way, if you let go of the joystick, the chair stays steady. Comfort is another plus. You get a 17-inch wide seat with a breathable cushion and backrest. Flip-up armrests and folding footrests make it easier to get up or pull closer to a table. Dual brushless motors give it enough power for grass, gravel, and mild slopes. Verdict: the Goldseason is best for travelers and anyone who wants the lightest folding wheelchair without losing safety and comfort. Electric wheelchairs number 3. DAHAIY lightweight electric wheelchair. If you're on a budget but still want reliability, the DAHAIY electric wheelchair is a strong choice. It's priced under $400, which makes it one of the most affordable options out there. But don't let the price fool you. It still gives you dependable performance. The seat is soft and supportive, designed for longer use. It's not oversized, but it does the job well. The joystick makes control easy. You get 360-degree movement, speed adjustments, a battery indicator, and a simple power button. No learning curve. Safety is impressive for a budget chair. It includes rear anti-tip wheels, electromagnetic brakes, and even handbrakes for extra control. That gives you confidence in busy places where you need quick reactions. The alloy steel frame feels sturdy without being too heavy. This chair may not come with fancy extras, but it covers all the basics. If independence is what you want, this chair helps you get there without breaking the bank. Verdict: the DAHAIY wheelchair is best for buyers who want an affordable, reliable, and safe option for everyday use. Electric wheelchairs number 4. TANGHOMY electric wheelchair. The TANGHOMY wheelchair is built for distance. While most chairs max out around 15 miles, this one goes over 25 miles per charge. That's a huge difference. If you're someone who spends long days outdoors, this wheelchair gives you freedom without worrying about recharging halfway through the day. It's heavier at 73 pounds, but that extra weight comes from its durable alloy frame. Indoors, it's smooth and responsive. Outdoors, it handles parks, shopping trips, or family gatherings with stability. The ride feels steady, even on less than perfect ground. Another big plus is support. TANGHOMY offers a warranty and quick technical help, which makes a difference for something you'll use daily. Knowing you're backed up if anything goes wrong is a big deal. Verdict: the TANGHOMY wheelchair is best for adults who want maximum travel range and durability. It's perfect for those who spend long hours outside and want independence without frequent charging. Electric wheelchairs number 5. Aotedor Ultra Lightweight Electric Wheelchair. The Aotedor wheelchair combines ultra-light design with long range. At only 39 pounds, it's one of the lightest chairs you'll find. The frame is made from aviation-grade aluminum, so it's light but sturdy. It supports up to 220 pounds. That's more than most lightweight wheelchairs. You can go out for a full day without worrying about recharging. The motors are brushless, which makes them quiet and efficient. Paired with magnesium alloy wheels, the chair handles slopes and uneven ground with ease. The joystick is responsive and easy to control, even in tight spaces. Safety is one of its strongest features. You get electromagnetic brakes, anti-tip wheels, tilt prevention, and shock absorbers. Together, these features make it one of the safest lightweight chairs available. Aotedor also backs the chair with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. That peace of mind makes it even more appealing. You don't worry about battery life, and you feel secure on every surface. That's the Aotedor experience. Verdict: the Aotedor is best for people who want a lightweight, travel-ready wheelchair with long range and advanced safety.
Which portable electric wheelchair should you buy? If you want the lightest travel chair, go with the Goldseason 33 pounds or the Aotedor 39 pounds. Both are airline-approved, easy to fold, and ideal for frequent travelers. If range is your top concern, the TANGHOMY is the clear winner. Over 25 miles per charge makes it great for long days out. On a budget, the DAHAIY is affordable, practical, and still gives you 15 miles per charge. Want a balance of safety, comfort, and power? The POWET wheelchair checks all those boxes. It's strong enough for slopes, comfortable for long use, and safe for everyday needs. Final words: finding the best portable electric wheelchair isn't just about specs. It's about freedom. It's about comfort, confidence, and living life on your terms. Each of these 5 models has something unique, from ultra-light frames to long-range power.